This is also a question from an Ahmadi lady. In Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 52, Allah Jalla Shanu said, when we made Moses a promise of 40 nights. Will Huzur please explain what is meant by Allah promise of 40 nights?
Allah Ta'ala asked Moses to travel to a certain area where there was buried some, what do you call it, stiles? Tiles like the things.
Tablets.
Tablets, stiles or tablets, in which there was written some old Bible, and God invited Moses to come to meet him, and for 40 days he was removed from his own people. So when he returned with all stiles or the tablets, he saw that somebody had unfortunately made them go astray. As Musa became so angry with this that it is said that he took hold of the beard of his younger brother and said, I told you to take care of these people, and why have you failed in this duty? So he said, don't do this to me. I was afraid that they will rebel against you while you are absent. I don't know why he meant that, but perhaps he said that you are very powerful, so they obey you. When you are absent, then they take layers. So he was so angry that he threw those tablets on the ground and they got broken. This is what you refer to?
I don't know, this is not my question.
Huh?
This is not my question, this is some others question.
She asked a question, but somebody else gave a question.
Somebody else asked.
Yeah.
But this is perhaps what he refers to. You understand?
Yeah.
Now the time is over now. Now please put this microphone, this television off. So I want to speak to Hadith Sahib.